AMC shows all the new products and services for building acoustics on the BAU in Munich, the biggest trade fair for construction materials. Let me introduce you the new products that we are showing today. Come on over. Vibrating machinery that is connected to piping generates a vibration that is irradiated through all the piping. For this purpose, we have done a very cost-effective, simple product that allows to fix elastically the pipe, allowing decoupling of these vibrations. Gyms and sports centers are an area that generates lots of disturbance. Normally, the machinery for weightlifting or treadmills, they need to be isolated. And that's why we are proposing these two products that are to support elastically this kind of machinery. Extremely sensible areas, like gyms, places where we want to have very good isolation, they will require a suspended floor. The suspended floor, the heavier it is, the better will be the stability and actually the noise insulation. That's why we have here a system that can isolate these floating floors of concrete with springs. As you can see, these systems can be mechanically opened and visit again the springs. So we can do a maintenance of them if it is required and practically have a solution which is lasting for eternity. The space is a valuable asset. We don't always have the space that we need to do the isolation of rooms. In this case, we are presenting a new product that is called Sound Clip that allows to hold a furring channel that can be of different lengths. The system is very clever. Just by rotating the system, we can adapt to different lengths of profiles. Also, we have the channel clip. This is a version of the same product made for UK. Essentially, what we are using is for the channel MF, which is very popular in UK. This is installed directly on the walls or either on the ceilings. Both solutions are universal, either for ceilings or for walls. Our product is very technical. The responsibility of using these products is very high. We need to be right from the beginning. That's why we are publishing test reports done in external laboratories that prove that the products work well in the laboratories. But also, we are showing test reports in real applications where we have been assisting the customer and we have done tests before and after to check what was the real isolation for impact and airborne in real cases. So with this, what we want to bring is science behind it and credibility that this is not only a good-looking product, but also is a product that works well. AMC is also vibration isolation of machinery. Machinery that can be installed in buildings, in rooftops, and that have to be at correct levels of vibration isolation. For that, we have developed an accelerometer that can be plugged easily to an Android or to an iPhone. It is just a hardware that is very cost-effective, that can be plugged to an Android or to an iPhone. So let me just show you how this works. We have a magnetic fixation. It allows us to do a recording of vibrations on the source and also on the destination. Then it publishes us a report where we can see point per point, axis per axis, the maximum peaks, how they have been reduced, at what frequency, an RMS value that allows us to know the global isolation above and below. And then we have FFTs that are shown where we have the vibration peaks in different colors according if it is source or destination, axis per axis, point per point. For those applications where a high vibration and noise insulation is required, but the budget is limited, we have made a new mount that allows us to install simply springs within beams beneath floating floors. These products are very simple. They are constructed using molded parts, springs, and also a layer of Silomer, providing isolation to low and high frequencies. Easy to use, easy to install. Thank you very much to all the visitors, all the interesting conversations, interesting projects. We are really happy to be here and to be here on 2025. So, vielen Dank und sehen wir uns in 2025.